Hello, children. How are you all? Hope all of you are fine. Children, do you believe in mystery and magic? Just look at this video.
Now a trick that everyone can try at home. Turning water into ice. And you don't even need a freezer. The magician pours the water into the mug. He jiggles it around. A little abracadabra. And the water's gone. Nothing but ice. How did he do it? This trick is really easy. When the illusion begins, the ice cube is already in the mug. There's also a sponge in the bottom. See? There it is. It's helpful when the sponge is the same color as the mug. The ice cube sits on top of the sponge. When the magician pours in the water, it is absorbed. He jiggles the mug around to make sure all the water is soaked up. A little magical gesture and out comes the ice cube. It's just that simple.
Yes, that was a great video, right? And it's a take-off activity of yours. Just try it out at home and just surprise everyone at home. Okay, children, tell me what is this? Yes, this is a dragon. And after seeing this, what do you get? Do you get afraid of it? Do you feel scary? What do you think of the dragon? Yes, now here is an activity wherein you have to take how do you feel when you see a dragon, or you want to describe the dragon. How will you describe? It is angry, it is friendly also, it is strong, it is scary, it is huge. Yes, you can take whatever you think so. Yes, which is the correct. Yes, children, now let us start the new chapter, that is Sam and the Dragon. It is the story of a Sam, a boy, and the dragon by Errol B. Thamsma. Reading. Dragons are usually shown as fearsome creatures in stories. Do you think they can be friendly and helpful too? Read the story about the boy who makes friends with a dragon. What do you think happens next? A long time ago, there were a lot of dragons around. They were as common as cats and dogs. But as time passed, there were fewer and fewer of them until there were hardly any left. Children, what happened? They are telling us some time ago there were a lot of dragons in the world, but as the time passed, only few are left. Okay, because people are killing them, so only few are left. Let us continue. Some died of old age, some were killed by knights in the shining armor. Those that didn't die began to hide away so that no one could find them. Now what happened? Some they died because of the old age, and some they were killed by knights. What is knights? You can say here a noble man who fought for his king in battle. His knights are nothing but like a king type people he was a noble. They were noble men who fought for their kings in battle. Okay, and in shining armor. What is armor? A special metal clothing soldiers earlier wore to protect their bodies in battle. Okay, they used to use this. This is a cloth. It's a shining cloth which they used to use in the battle. Battle is nothing but the war. Okay, and some they began to hide away so that nobody could find them. Since they had to hide all the time, they began to change. They got smaller and smaller until they were no bigger than a little boy. Now, what happens? Actually, in the real, the dragons are very huge children. Okay, very huge. Since they had to hide, right? They have to keep them hiding. They changed themselves. Like they became small and smaller, and they were no bigger than a little boy. Okay, they were not bigger than a little boy. A little boy like Sam. Sam lived in a town where everything was buried under snow in winter. Every autumn, his family would pack their belongings and move south where it was warm. Now, here is a boy, Sam, whose name is Sam, and he lived in a town. Okay, and what happened? Everything buried under the snow in the winter. Yes, of course, in the winter, the town there it is too much of snowing in their area, so everything was under the snow. Okay, every autumn is a season, children. Okay, before winter, it's a season. Okay, his family they moved to south where it was warm. South in the sense south direction. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next. Sam was small, but he was smart. He knew how to look after himself when his parents left him to graze their sheep in faraway meadows in summer. He didn't like moving south in the autumn and coming back in the spring. One day his family was packing. He said to his mother, I don't want to go south for the winter. I want to stay at home. What happened? Sam was small, but he was smart. He never liked to go to south with his parents. Okay, and one day he never liked to go there in the autumn and come back in the spring. So he told his mother that I don't want to come to south for winter. I want to stay here only at my home. But what does the mother say? No, Sam, we cannot stay. We would freeze to death, his mother said. But Sam did not believe her. You see, he had never seen a really cold winter. He said, it doesn't really get that cold. That's just a story, like dragons and unicorns. What makes you think unicorn and dragons are a myth? His mother asked with a twinkle in her eyes. Now what happened? He didn't wanted to go. He says, mother says, no, we have to go. If we stay here, we will freeze ourselves. Then he is telling, what do you think? The cold winter is so much cold, like as if dragons and unicorns. Children, unicorn is nothing but an imaginary creature which looks like a white horse with a horn on its forehead. If you have seen any cartoon stories, you can see unicorn in that. Okay, if you have seen especially the Chota Bheem, you will see that. Okay, what makes you think unicorns and dragons are myth? Myth means lie. A well-known story made up in the past to explain the natural happenings. Myth is nothing but she thinks, is it a lie? She's asking. Okay. The old man in the town square said so. Well, the man in the town square don't know everything. Unicorn and dragons are real and it gets very cold in winter, Sam's mother said. Okay, they all are real and in the winter it really gets the cold. It gets cold here. Sam decided he would stay home anyways. When the town began its journey south, he hid so that no one would notice that he wasn't with them. Now what happened? When a whole town they started towards the south, he hid himself inside the house somewhere, and he made sure that nobody noticed it. Okay. Now, children, let us stop here the explanation. And what is town square, children? Here, town square is a large open area in the middle of the town where people can meet and buy things. It's like market area, we say, right? That is town square. Okay. Now, here in the previous page, you can see there is an octopus with a question there. What did a dragon's watch, which remain alive, do? Okay, and there is one more common idiom and proverb: knights in shining armor. Okay, the idiom is used to describe someone who saves another person in difficult situation. And even on this page, you find a question: what did Sam do so that he did not have to go south? What did he do? He hid himself. Okay. Now, what happened then afterwards? Let us see in our online class, children. Okay. Okay, children, let us meet in the next class. Thank you. See you all in the next class.